G'day guys, Mark here, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be testing out the HT Feather designed by RC TNT, Craig, and sent to me by RC Arty. So again, thank you RC Arty. I'm excited to give this a go. Even a bit excited for Craig that he's designed this and done such an amazing job. I can't wait to give it a go, so let's cut out all the chit chat and let's just get on with it. Alright, now this might not seem the most exciting place to start off, but we came here with this a while ago and this turned out to be a great little testing ground, so that's why we're back here. So we're working our way into it. I think we've got some grass holding us up there. This video is probably going to seem quite random, just jumping from line to line, but I want to go from the best challenge spots to the best challenge spots just to give it a really good test. And we may have to do this over a couple of videos, but here's a line here that I tried with the Capra before and I could not get anywhere. So this chassis, if it gets anywhere, even from the start of this climb, it's going to show that this chassis is everything that they say it is. So let's give it a go. Oh wow, we didn't even get that far before. Oh no way, it did it. Get out of there, stick. Oh wow. Righto, move on to the next one. Alright, now this challenge here, we managed to do this one with the UTB 18 before, but we really struggled, especially on that last section right up in there. So let's give it a go and see how much better it does. Oh wow, you can't be serious. That made that look too easy. Alright, now this challenge here we did do with the UTB 18 before. And now bear in mind guys, if you're new to this channel, the UTB 18 was highly modified before, but we've added the chassis. So yeah, in this particular challenge line here, we rolled a couple of times up on that top second section, but we managed to get there eventually. So let's see how this goes. Alright guys, if you're new here to the channel, I am running no foams in this. I like no foams. Some people hate it, but we've got to also get a better angle to turn around here. This is a little bit of a muck around, so to save you guys from boredom, I might just have a little reset. Sorry, I wanted to cut out all the U-turns. It was unnecessary for you guys to have to sit through that. Wow. This thing is nuts. We're going to have to move on to our next challenge line. Alright, we're down at one of the challenge rocks now. My normal crew will be familiar with this line. We've done it before with this car, but we struggled. It took so long. So let's see if this is any better. Oh my lord, you cannot be serious. That again made that look too easy. Wow. Let me guess, Zimmy time? You're a peanut. What, did you get a bug up your nose? Alright, we'll try our little circuit line here, which is probably not as technically difficult, but it still has its issues. Oh, wow. Reset. I stuffed up. Righto. Oh yeah. Better camera angle. Righto. We're just gonna climb back up here, and then we complete our little circuit. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Alright guys, that's it for the Legend crew in this particular video. Craig, I am impressed. This thing is absolutely awesome, and RC Artie, thank you so much brother. I can't thank you enough. I am absolutely loving on this rig again now. So I think we'll do some testing over a couple of videos. So I will now drive to another location and do some more testing there. So that'll be another video. Anyway guys, peace out. Thank you so much for joining us. If you want to join the Legend crew, consider subscribing. Peace out guys.